Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Contract Plus Executive 24/7 Posture Mesh Office Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, mechanism, headrest, a pair of arms marked L and R, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters, 3 20mm bolts, 4 14mm bolts, 2 22mm bolts, 6 35mm bolts, 6 40mm diameter washers, 3 17mm diameter washers, 3 locking spring washers, and 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Place the seat pad fabric side down. Line up the holes in the mechanism with the innermost holes on the seat pad plate, making sure the arrows on the mech are pointing to the front of the seat pad, and secure with the 4 14mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, slide the bracket of the backrest into the housing of the seat pad and attach using the 3 20mm bolts, 17mm washers and locking spring washers. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Now to attach the arms using the 6 35mm bolts and washers. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. Line up the holes in the arms with the holes in the underside of the seat pad and attach each arm with 3 of the bolts and washers. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, slot the headrest into the housing at the top of the backrest and secure with the 2 20mm bolts. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it! Your new Contract Plus Executive 24/7 Posture Mesh Office Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.